mmadụ a na-ebulukwa mmadụ elu ọbụma onye mee nke ọma ebulie ya elu si ya jide nke o ji na-aga n'ihu biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kele Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu nwoke ọma na Oraifite ị ga-adị Odinana bụ eziokwu Odinana bụ ụzọ ndụ ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na Oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na-eje mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na Oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na-eje mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi Tubelu ga-adị Ugochi Tubelu temple ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ogeri anyị fanda mbaki ndị oche anyị fanda mbaki fada sikara aka rọrọ ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ mepekwa chọọchị fa obodo ga-adịkwa mana Ugochi Tubelu ekweghị ekwe Eze-Ana si na ọma mbe ọdịnala amanwụ chacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume ọdịnala ya dị Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na Oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwa m n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ mụ nwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi Tubelu na tempụl nke dị na Oraifite na Anambra steeti anyị na-agba afa mmiri emi n'ụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist, I will answer. N'ụbọchị tata bụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị bụ why you should avoid getting yourself involved in destroying sacred things, whether ma ọ bụ nke obodo ma ọ bụ nke individual ma ọ bụ nke family. Ana m achọ ịgwa gị ụdị agwa iko dị etu a anaghị ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ n'iyi kada anakwa ndị mmadụ n'oyibo taa maka ọkwa dị mkpa. Echefuna na every Wednesday and Monday ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling, oge anyị ji ekwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile bụ ndị friends of the temple na ndị niile anyị na-arụrụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche all over the world. Ị nwekwara ike isonyere anyị n'oge awa ndị a echatị m book appointment with me ka inwe ike sonyere anyị na ya. Anyị kwuru ọrụ mmụọ anyị na-alụ ma ọwa aja anyị na-achụ a distance abụrụ ịbara ya ụwa afọ anyị na-agba. Nke ọzọ ọ bụ echefunara aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Disemba abịara na njedebe. Nke Jenụwarị ga-ebido na Jenụwarị 6 kwụsị na 19th 14 days. Anyị ji achụ ya bụ aja. Ndị na-esonye pugo amadugo mana maka gị bụ onye ọfụ ihe ị ga-eme bụ ise ndịrị prayer request. Get 3 prayer requests. Then the mail donation token to the account number. A chat is here more. I was young details I needed from you. Carry with book code. A chat and we send the most message about 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. What are you? Then, HF Gula, who was 31st. Who was here? I got Popata. Ndị anyị ga-erite elele onyinye ego dị iche iche iji nyere ndị mmadụ aka giveaway. Ọ ga-abụzi ụbọchị first anyị ga-enye ndị ahụ giveaway. O nwere ndị dị iche iche ndị ga-abịa ma ndị ga-abịa na temple ma ndị agha abịawu ndị a ga-emerụ transfer. So na ya bụ that first ya nwa ka anyị ga-enye onyinye dị iche iche. Ya bụ onyinye gụnyere ma ndị ma rice ma ego and the other items. So ndị nwere ike ịbịa nwunye pụta na temple. Ndị agha abịakwa ndị nweta catchkit anyị ga-akpọkwa ha mere ha transfer na ya bụ ụbọchị. Our mission is actually to help people live better life. N'oge awa nke eziokwu ihe ị kwesịrị ịma bụ ihe anyị ji maka ịbịa n'ụbọchị taa. Then ihe m ga-achịkọwara gị taa bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma. This season anọ n'ime bụ season ndị mmadụ ji eke onwe ha agbụ ka agbụ n'elu agbụ ekere eke. Mana anyị nwere akwafa mmiri emebia mgbe ụfọdụ ịgbata ụdị ihe a n'afa na ọ bụ ihe emelụ ihe ọtụtụ mmadụ mere onwe ya of destroying sacred things. You destroy sacred things in many ways. Man, I may focus attention more on destroying sacred things physically. Nyabo ihe a na-agwaghị anaghị ọtụ ndị mmadụ n'iyi. N'ọnwa a n'oge nchịkọta arụ abụ oge ndị mmadụ ji anaba ụlọ get together. Ka afọ nwa nwere ike ndị efu na this year. O nwere ike ọsọ ya afụzi ha warụ na December. Maka na end of the year. Ụfọdụ ga-ala ka a nata village be ha ka a sokwa ndị be ha wee nwa aṅụrị wee banye arọ ọfụ. Yes. Mana ọ nwere ọtụtụ ihe na-adị mwute na-emezi n'oge a. Ndị mmadụ na-ejizi oge a ụfọdụ eti ihe as a mass return. Ụfọdụ eti ihe n'oge eji anata ekpe ekpere maka ọdịmma obodo. Ụfọdụ eti ihe n'oge eji abịa eme family liberation. Ụfọdụ eti ihe n'oge kpọọ ya afa dị iche iche. Mana ana m achọ ịgwakarị n'oge ka oge a abụrụgo oge ndị mmadụ ga-etinye onwe ha na-agbụtọ agbụ. Ka m gwa gị energy ikuzi about to most and the spiritually spirit to teach this thing today. Because I'm a knock and off on the guy by upon the cabo hacker on my hat. Locaria Gambo Robona have it in mind. Now before Mother Obona cast any spell on what again? But one your vibes, your spiritual radiation is very weak. Makana your spiritual radiation is very strong. All the weakly resist any evil intention against you. Mana, if there is your body has similarity in something unclean. You got that? Yes, let's say that radiation not like a magneto. Not like a magneto. Now, if anybody cast spell, here magneto G a daughter iron. But because of the magneto, well, something in common with iron. Magneto cannot magnet wood, can magnet paper, can magnet plastic. You know why? It can magnet aluminium. You know why? This thing so anything in common with magneto component. Man iron, you drag it. I don't come with this simple analogy where Kowalagi. The man cousin manana a jihomat when I kawaii. Now, Obrona, mana magneto, Obrona man that will go out my that via vibration magneto. For anything obona deka iron, and rest of them, it will grab it. To according. because now your spiritual aura, your vibration corridor, and your spiritual arena is corrupt. Therefore, if anybody throw any garbage on you, it will magnet. It could be as a result of your previous earth life. It could be a result of your present earth life. That is because of karma. Because garbage in, garbage out. So some of those things you throw garbages on others have already corrupted your spiritual arena. Therefore, your spiritual arena is no longer pure. Actually, can you use those simple language again make your thing? Yes. So almost a matter through any garbage of maybe a new le or from away a chair or any of those negative things around to you, it will attract. You know, man, about a spiritual life. The more they are throwing the garbages, will be rejected it. Those things will not penetrate. You know what I mean? Yes. Okay, then I'm more yes, the hand they send those negative thoughts. But those negative thoughts will never catch you. Now, if not why you should not pay less attention to your enemies, then pay more attention in developing your spiritual stamina. You know what I mean? All you can do is get develop your spiritual exercise. Yes, very important. Because you need to upgrade. You need to activate your inner power. Bogota. Because through those garbages, they are still operating in lower frequency. Because the density, that is, those people that occupy their mind with evil are heavier. Therefore, they operate in the lowest realm because of the impure attached. So they operate in the lower realm. Man, once you are becoming better human being, you are purifying your part. Therefore, you become lighter. And once you become lighter, you upgrade in the spiritual realm. Example, let's say that they are attack here now medium wave. Man, you need to develop your spiritual strength. Able to go to FM. So all the two Lusigi, they said all those trash and garbages, that medium wave, it will never catch you because you are above. So that's why you pay attention to your spiritual development more. Because as long as you don't know what, you get what they got through garbages because of hatred. Makana saying that what a bakari be na jonko, batari be na ko na bana jofe. Again when the hatred, they will hatred there be no. Again when the young apomasi, they be no no. So some people can even accuse you of so many things, but they are not sure. But for the fact that through him Down syndrome. Now, abịa n'obodo dị iche iche, enwere ihe ọkpụtọrọ ọgbụ dịgasị n'obodo dị iche iche. Anyị ji chekwa obodo. Onwere ike ibido na secretaries, wee garuzie na other monuments. Onwere ike ọ bụrụ obi ndị ichie artifact dị n'obi, ma ọ bụ ọbụzie n'iwu dibịa. Enwere ike the other symbols of the entities of powers dị na ụlọ ọrụ gị na ihe ọrụ gasị. Now, the symbol of the more wall. Some people might accuse you of being responsible for predicaments, or maybe for them, I believe in the act of hatred. But especially if you come from a village where Christianity dominates, these people more for that accuse the teaching. I have lived in the north. I understand it perfectly. But I can tell you, now even our Christian borders are more dangerous. Just go the history of that era. During the time of Nero and rest of them. Yes, at Constantine. Go the 2 times. Go one other emperors. I can tell you, some Christians don't carry more than large number of people that protested against their belief. and their teaching. They accuse them of protesting against the Holy Church. They murdered them. Do you know why they did not succeed in fighting Anglican Church or fighting Martin Luther? Because Martin Luther and the Heredity Earth pulled down almost immediately, same time. Because Martin Luther pulled down and they opened Lutheran Church in Germany, while Heredity Earth pulled and established Church of England. As the king of England, he sees all the Roman churches in his domain. Don't forget, where they call Canterbury today is a former bishop where St. Augustine of Hippo once lived as bishop. So, but during that time of problem with him and the Cardinal Smart kicked against him getting married to second wife because he's a knight, and he was like, he sent Cardinal Smart back to Rome to tell them that he's a king and a knight, or how they find the knighthood, that never was a Kenya case here exceptional. So, and Cardinal Smart refuses to go because claiming that marrying two wives is against the church doctrine, and Cardinal Smart was kicked out, and he seized everything concerning the Roman church properties in England, and turned it as Church of England, and established his own church, and printed his own Bible. You understand? After printing his own Bible, they go with the King James Bible. They now remove about 6 chapters from his own, because Catholic own has 72, while the Protestants has 66. I'm not a brief history of what happened. Now, but I'm not and do call more than so many people. Once you protest against the church, you will be sentenced to death. Yes, they committed all these acts. Even Pope John Paul II apologized to the world of all some of the atrocities committed by the church. And even some towns now can suffer that dominance of church people. I remember some years back, maybe around 15, 20 years ago. It's not up to 15 years. Let's say, yes, within that time, 15 to 20 years. Like this one father that once stayed in our place. That father committed a lot of atrocity to the Odinana family. That time, Eddie Merinoka. That's what I'm not supported anywhere. You know what I mean? Or maybe Chamu who more than a buy, I guess, call to Chamu who that and everything. Maybe so many things. But however, when I go my name no more, my own woman, with my own village in Nordica, 90% Catholics. And the man was a Roman Catholic father. He's a Roman Catholic father. So therefore, all they are easy. Mana Omega is just young, and what problem? Bishop will proceed that kind of useless movement. Now, but in our area recently, people started agitating for kind of such a thing. But I can tell you, never engage yourself in such fruitless exercise. You know why? When you get yourself involved in destroying these sacred things, these sacred trees, these sacred objects or monuments or anything on artifact of an age, I want to go to money a Boriano, whether more Munko, more Munke family, more Munke personal divia, more Wopi. Yeah, bonding yourself more. You know why? You will never destroy what you cannot create. And when more the melon can store that particular spirit, that entities. Yes. And whenever you went ahead, either with your own support, financial support, or go ahead support, then you will suffer for it. You know why? Mother, I will eat it in a hole or they go out here. mgbe iji eje destabilize ya because mgbe a kpọtụrụ mmụọ a n'ofu ebe na-egburu ya anụ enyego ha ọnọdụ nye ha command ife ha gara arụ then on their own part gwa ihe ha gara arụ i wee jee ebe and destroy ya and commit abominable act. Then that thing imelogo they destroy already harmony that existed between the person that overseeing those spirits. Mgbe i mere ya ihe ọ pụtara bụrụ na egeta emekwu onwe gị create more enmity among you and the spirits. I can tell you, in this gross material you are living, you don't need to make more enemies. You don't need to make enemies to become enemies with the spirits. You know why? Look at the Bible more. You can never win that war with the spirits. Believe in me. The spirits lose nothing. The spirits lose nothing. Manambo ijal weje kagana the spirits maaka Bible together. Higher Bible film. That is why even when Jesus was alive, tell me anywhere Jesus destroyed any secret things of the Jewish people. In my Jewish religion, not Odinana. He never did. He can use word of mouth to say whatever he wants to say, but not destroying those secret things. Makandogi. Some families are suffering today because of where their father made. Some of them, yes, go on enemy. Some of them, he have that I will well support war. A Jimmy Busia or Fodo, I wish more, I don't see more. We also do look at the night. What's the age at house? Esoma, the former pastor, cow doctor, reverend doctor. My father, come back and refuse the mayor. The man is from Imo State. He used to, so Nandina Garden, Najena, a power, no, then I maybe see, you had the Garcia Giochapo. Maybe see how bushing the Dibia, off one and Dibia, or Opio Jabuya. Also, under the maybe see today. I will show them because we hear money now or what to do, which are part to ministry. To the extent, obviously, it is in your problem. Omechakachi at the back. No, Odinana. Obi a boss, I want my temple. Before, the Wakita, be reviewed, you all need now, or maybe they may be. Yes, I explain them for those spirits, or maybe for mercy. You know that? So, never you engage yourself, or maybe you can never go scot-free. You can never destroy what you cannot create. You know that? Yes. Can go the cabbage yoku. A man didn't mad a new land, then I walk and 1 year they have. Validity. Key for John Amen and would be a Bondoka. They will hide in the name of Bondoka. Meme, eh? That is it. The word did not be a Odinana. This more woman, so don't marry you now. Or your hide here in the name near a joker. Money in the mother will see. There is no money. Uncle Yonodohana, Bahama rice. And nobody will suspect him because when he comes to the church water, nobody will suspect him because we connect about the mass. If we know you go away, he hides himself with sheep clothing. And after I said, "Bomb on your way." Kebe is your good is more than the Biawa. Not like moon like as long as always good beer. Odinana can never descend so low. You know why? Makana Malugo go see very hot jaw. No money. I need no eyes on him. Or man like him, he hot job because now only hot job, but don't have grown is never in I am or Yama. To a hardy criminal. A hardy criminal can never. Ebiana na Omonia is worried. A hardy criminal cannot even allow a stranger to rob his community as his clan. No. Because all a man away him, no one know a prime suspect. So therefore, I like his domain, be very quiet. Come on, just give me her journey the number. That is always the face me. You know what? So onye ọbụla na-anọkọtara achọ maka na ihe nwa ndị ọdịnala ebe a n'obodo si gbuwe secretaries si mebiwe ndị ọdịnala ma ọ bụ dibịa ma ọhịa mebiwe ihe ndị a ọ bụrụ na ị nwere serious evidence yes na onye a na-arụ ọrụ ọjọọ na-eme ihe ọjọọ wee na-emegide mmadụ concrete evidence ịma na onye awụ onye na-alụ onwe ya evo nọ ndị bad ex mana ọ bụrụ na because ihe tụrụ ọdịnala or like ụfọdụ ihe na-eme n'ụfọdụ obodo recently ụfọdụ a na-ejide like na vileji anyị ụfọdụ na-eme si na ụmụ okorobịa a na-ejezi ụka na ha niile na-abazi ọdịnala to ụfọdụ ndị ụka ọ na-epenụ ha so ha fụ etu ha ga-esi wee nwee ike wee mee ka ụmụ okorobịa mana abụọ na ọfọ na chi na-adị ewute chi foro efe anya ọkụ mgbe a na-achọzi ka awute chi foro efe anya ọkụ but how on by so doing that's following the test no. So what am I saying? Yes, no, never you engage yourself in destroying anything about the money. You know why? We destabilize, one of what they destabilize you. For crying out loud, or wrong go about to more than to able to go. And the ones see Maria. Money na otu n'obi a na-abịa eri ya bụ ihe ga-agbaga ya ka nwere onwe mmadụ n'obi Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tụrụ Oraifite ịma efi ono ụdata obi dịgoro ịma efi ono anọgoro n'obi agbu adị m ekwuzi okwu ebulu ma ọwụ ma ihe ndị a ma ọ ka adị m ekwu okwu na efi ono origoro ya now and that my obi would the only obi that is standing in my own clan as Eze-Ana. Now, if the New Year first, okay, you go faith. Now, when you go there, after couple to London, they no sooner obedience is no more. I don't control destroys go be obi. Then here won't see any abroad at all in one clan. I now call them and assemble them back, and they build new obi for them. You think that anybody and now maybe will be able to go higher. Let's go back and maybe about let's say 15 to 20 years ago. About the higher today is a bad person. Let's suppose you know the PI. Form put that will be in my compound. You know that? So we yellow awake always here now not as we go with my children. Yeah, but you waiting maybe young will be. In what problem? Because you are destabilizing what you cannot create. You are not the one that assembled them. And they had agreements that they would protect the family, that they would bring in good things that is for the family. And in other words, that this sacred place will be kept holy for them. Once he rendered them hopeless, they will render you hopeless. Any sacred things can kill. Then you go back at the Ark of Covenant. Boom Israel Nebu, Ark of Covenant. But for the fact, now unholy hand, or about Uzziah, he is not among the selected people to touch the Ark of Covenant. When they be or the Ark of Covenant or the car, or when they know with a good intention, call help Waha, fight Ark of Covenant. The man was struck dead. You know why? Despite his good intention. So when any good intention is to make your holy things that you will respect. I said that man was struck dead. Go and read this in the Bible. His name is Eze. So what am I saying? When any justification you will give that will make you to lead them up or lead any group to go and destroy what you cannot create. You will be able to man. Makano nwere ka ihe eme mmụọ agbagha ya a na-agba afọ ya enugbu afọ ya n'okwudie na the problem ga-agbapụta ihe maka na mmụọ chọrọ ime gị ihe niile maka na agbagodo a na-afọkọpụta ihe bụ isiokwu ma na ya bụ agba ekere nwa gwere n'orugo ọtụtụ mana mmụọ chi ịgbagha ya ga dibie elu gbagha afọ gba elu gbagha ekwudo ihe gbasara ya na-egosi ha peripherals mana the main ten bụ ya problem egbudoro ya. So ọ bụrụ for any reason need to go involved n'ịkpata obi, imebi ọfọ, imebi any secretary ma ọ bụ nke family ma ọ bụ nke obodo ma ọ bụ nke individual dibia, he has no right to do that whatever. Enwere normal process for everything. You cannot destroy if the person that is in charge of that particular spirit is not the one willingly from his heart and to give up on service for service. Send that message in our WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. Ayo ma ayo n'isi ndị niile ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, ndị nọ n'oru na ndị nọ n'Igbo, ndị niile tinyegoro aka ha n'ịrụ ihe dị asọ akpọrọ sacrilege, ihe ọdịnala. Anything you cannot create in creation, you are not permitted to destroy whatever you cannot create, be it human, be it anything, be it monument, be it any sacred things. As long as you are not the creator, you are not permitted in creation. Makando. Ayoma Ionis in the negate go to the only high involved or the let them receive help. Let them be forgiven. If they do what is called restitution, reparation, in earnest, I pray for blessings and forgiveness upon their lives and their families. Share the video. You must have saved one person or the other, especially those who are around the village. But you have no be in a village, so called always in honor. Kaja may be ebe okwagu nafa mon nafa kaja may be thinking no be the responsible for their predicament, which is fallacy, which is not true. If you are not interested in attending to those who will be at those secretaries, just do as right. They will bring somebody, one of your ancestors will regret and take care of them. But never touch your filthy hands on any of them. Makandogi. It didn't have a banana banana. Ekuchapam. Call the Udioga. Echinine by 9 o'clock. Yagasia. I'm signing out.